A special thank you for clicking today's video. Today we are learning something interesting. I saw this in one of the homes that I frequently visit and I was like, yo, I've been missing out. So this is how it goes. You guys, I didn't know about this. You can actually portion your food and measure them equally. Because for the longest time, what we just do, we just buy these things that tunaweka tu kwa fridge bila kupima. But these guys, what they do, they buy in bulk like 3 kg, then they measure 400 grams each. They pack and they put in the fridge, and it gets to serve them for a long time. I was impressed by this and I decided to give it a try. I went to City Market. That's the number of the guy. The guy is so amazing. The services are so good. Before they packed this for me, they washed, akakatakata, then he packed it for me. They actually also do deliveries. You can call them. So this was going for half kg was going for 280, 1 kg for 550. This is actually a friendly price because comparing with when you're at home and every time you want to cook pork or beef, you go to that home butcher, you'll get like maybe half kg goes for 300. But if you buy in bulk, it actually saves a lot. So give it a thought, okay? So today this is what I did. I had my weighing scale over there and I measured each quantity 400 grams. And guys, believe me, ilitupeleka for 2 weeks because someone like me, I don't like beef, and tuko watatu kwa nyumba, so 400 grams can actually serve up to 4 people. It doesn't have to be 400 grams. Depending with how many you are in your home, you can decide to. The goal here is to portion your food. Usiweke tu ovyo ovyo, just portion your food. Unanielewa? Yeah, it saves a lot. So that was me packaging 400 grams each, 400 grams each, and I really enjoyed it. It's also a form of discipline. Like tumetoa hii portion and this is what we are cooking and we are going to be okay with it. Yeah. And this is not just for the people who are in Nairobi. You might be saying we don't have city market wherever you are. Depending with wherever you are, I know there is somewhere that's actually budget friendly where you can get things. Go buy, sacrifice, buy in bulk for once. It doesn't have to be meat. When you boil your minji, your ndengu, your kamande, your beans, just measure them in equal portions and put it in the fridge. Imagine it's going to serve you for a long time. I really enjoyed because if I calculate in 2 weeks how much I would have spent to buy either pork or beef, it would have been expensive. But buying in a wholesale is actually really important. Me, I loved this hack and I hope I have helped someone and you're going to give it a try. Yeah, we just have to thrive through this economy. That was my beef. The beef was going for 550 a kg. Yeah. And at home maybe utakuta it's 600. Sindio? Yeah. But I'm also going to give a visit to Bama. So I'm going to visit Bama and I will come back and tell you the prices and you'd compare where you feel suits your pocket at the moment. But City Market was amazing. It's so clean. Yeah, so I hope you guys have learned something like me and you would actually love to try this. If you're staying alone, you can also portion 200 grams, 200 grams or 300, just depending on how many you are at your home. Cindy, thank you so much for watching. I hope I've inspired someone. I hope someone has learned something. Thank you for your continued support, guys. So till next time, bye bye. And I love how they look. They look so presentable and lovely. Look at that. Yay! Goodbye. Love you guys.